I had a chat with mold remediation expert and local resident Rimmer Covington at a home where Katrina's storm surge reached over 20 feet.
Be careful, Danny.
Yeah, this one's a mess. Now, this is exactly the way it was the morning after the storm?
That's right. Exactly the way it was. Mother Nature cleaned it out.
So no furniture or anything?
No furniture. Some folks had bought the home, and a month later, Hurricane Katrina came and just destroyed it.
Oh, that's some bad luck. I tell you, how do you even approach something like this in order to get it back to a safe environment? And I guess whatever guidelines that you use for this would be similar if you had, say, a burst washing machine hose that caused a lot of flooding.
Right. You have to stop the water.
Okay.
Dry the moisture up so that there is no mold growth, and then you can proceed with your repairs.
Okay. And I know something like this where you have carpet, of course this is completely gone, but
yep.
I guess in some situations you can pull the carpet out of there, and if you dry it quick enough, it may even be able to save it.
Possibly, but in this case, this is saltwater flooding.
Okay.
And the salt water brings with it salt crystals which absorb moisture.
Okay.
So you have to remove the construction materials that soaked up the saltwater crystals from the salt
Okay.
water.
I got you. Okay. Now, obviously, the water got up this high. I mean, that's like 10, 11 feet off the floor. And, of course, we're already 10 foot up off the ground with this style house. So you had that much water. I guess all of the drywall in this house has to come out.
That is true. All the drywall will have to come out of this house. It'll be taken down to bare studs so that they're clean like this. Once the facility is completely dry, then wherever you have residual mold growth, it will be completely removed. Or treated in some fashion with a pressure washer. In this open air circumstance, that would work well. And then tested, of course, so that you can establish that there isn't any mold
And
problem.
keeping it real dry after the windows are replaced in here, I guess a dehumidifier would be a great idea to just pull as much moisture out of it as you can.
Yes.